there is something that I try to do when I podcast, and I want to share it with you because I think it can be helpful. Now, I am not perfect at it. So by all means, just know that. And if you are naturally better than I am at this, then you're going to excel. If you're naturally not as good, then you're going to excel. So what I'm talking about today is to being your natural human self. When I do my podcasts, it's really important to me that I am who I am with my family, with my friends, with you, my listener, and with myself. I like the congruence. I like the integrity that it is to be the same person all the time. Alongside with this congruency is I'm playful. When I was growing up, there was a show called The Office. Now, this is going to get bad. I mean, just stay with me. The show called The Office, super duper funny. And Michael Scott always used "that's what she said" jokes. That's what she said, he would say. And it would usually be after somebody said something that could be taken sexual, could be taken out of context and meaning something, an innuendo, right? So I don't really want to spend the time on this episode worrying about giving you exact examples. You can just go and listen and watch The Office. But for me, I am a playful human being. I enjoy being goofy. I enjoy being animated. This is my natural personality. A lot of the times when I have a guest, I will make jokes with them. If I had a co-host, if I have a co-host on my show, I'm going to want to have a little bit of banter. Now, you've got to be careful. I don't want to take away from the content, obviously. Do I want to take away from the value that you're going to get by making random jokes? No, not necessarily. Do I want to take away from that value by having disgusting jokes that only I would find funny? No, that's not what I'm talking about. I'm not saying you necessarily have to use a "that's what she said" joke. I'm not saying you necessarily have to stay away from it.